Hey guys and girls, I'm Julia with the YouTube channel Wig Review Central. Pinky Promise Wigs and I welcome you to this wig review of Gabor's Soft and Subtle Wig. Now this wig was released in 2016. It's a very popular style and you can see why. Soft and Subtle is a blunt bob with layers and subtle curl pattern throughout. It's just gorgeous, and it barely graces the shoulders. This style comes with a temple-to-temple lace front and a left-hand side monofilament part. The fibers are regular synthetic, not heat-friendly. Best of all, this style comes in a petite cap size for a head measurement of 21 1/4 inches in circumference. It also comes in petite large, which will fit a head measuring 22.5 inches in circumference. Well, let's take a closer look at this very feminine, sexy style. Gabor's Soft and Subtle Wig Cap features a sheer temple-to-temple lace front. You have this very generous, wide, left-hand side, hand-tied monofilament part. Under this fabric mesh is a moderate amount of permatease, which gives the style its shape and volume. On either side, you have these velour-covered adjustable ear tabs. The sides and the back are open wefted for air circulation and scalp coolness. The nape is velour covered and extended. On either side are Velcro adjusters, which allow you to adjust the circumference of the wig cap up to 1/2 inch. Soft and Subtle's lace front is well done. It's temple to temple and 1.5 inches deep. The monofilament part is on the left-hand side, and I really do like the parting space. It gives the appearance of hair growing right from the scalp. Let's talk about this beautiful color, GL11/22SS, Shaded Honey Pecan. Well, it starts with medium brown roots, which transition into a blend of sandy brown and medium golden blonde. It's a beautiful sort of blonde brown color, very trendy right now. Well, let's take a closer look at this color outside in natural light. Soft and Subtle looks really cute, tucked behind the ear. And because you have this very natural looking hairline from the lace front, you can wear this style off the face. Because this is a blunt bob, there's not a lot of length for a ponytail. Now, you could take a claw clip and clip up the length into an updo. All in all, I'm very impressed with this beautiful mid-length style by Gabor. The cap is very comfortable to wear. The synthetic fiber, it moves and it looks like human hair. The parting space is wide enough that I'm pleased with that, and I really like the lace front as well. Now, if you were interested in purchasing Soft and Subtle, I highly recommend the website pinkypromise.com. You know, I have received wigs from Pinky Promise for a couple of years now, and I'm very pleased with their customer service. That's why I recommend them. Now, when you get to their website, on the home page, scroll down to the bottom and sign up for the mailing list. You'll immediately receive a 30% off discount code, good on your first purchase. Plus, you'll receive email alerts about fantastic sales and wig brand new releases. Now, if you have questions about the style or color, I'm more than happy to answer. Please leave those in the comments section below the video. Now, if you wear Soft and Subtle, we would love to hear your experience with the style. Well, thank you so much for watching my wig review. Take care. Bye-bye.